Magnetic chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. The object of the game is to capture your opponent's king. There is no check or checkmate. Except for kings, all pieces have a magnetic charge. White is negative and black is positive. After every move, the closest piece above, below, to the right, and left of the piece moved are affected. Ignore diagonals. Opposite colors are attracted to each other, so move opposing pieces in a straight line adjacent to the moved piece. Pieces of the same color are repelled and move away from the moved piece in a straight line until they run into another piece or the edge of the board. Only the closest first piece is affected. Kings and pieces behind kings or other pieces are unaffected. En passant is not allowed. After castling, apply the magnetic movement for the rook. If a magnetic move pushes a pawn to the opposite side of the board, it promotes like normal. Pawns that are moved to their owner's first or second row regain their double-step move option. Since there is no check or checkmate, you are allowed to move a piece in such a way that the magnetic move puts your king in threat. The first player to capture their opponent's king wins.